Welcome! If you want to check battery health information into your ZTE Blade V8 Lite, first step go into Play Store and find Ampere application. I'll show you. This one. So click install, wait a second for downloading and installing. Then open this application. Click yes I agree, close, OK, and then swipe on the right. And now on the bottom we got, on the top we got our health battery information, just here. And our battery health is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.